if you're in an auto accident with somebody, the odds of you being sued for their medical expenses is going way up. Hello, my name is Larry Michael. Thank you for playing this video. I'm with the Emil Rummel Agency, and what I'd like to talk to you about today is how no-fault reform is making the legal system much more important in terms of how medical costs from auto accident injuries gets paid for. All right. Starting July 2nd, we all have a choice to make. We can all continue with our unlimited personal injury protection. Personal injury protection is the name of the medical coverage on our auto policy. Michigan's PIP coverage is the best coverage of any other state in the entire United States. We recommend you stick with this coverage. However, this state, through no-fault reform, has given us choices. These choices include us relying on other systems outside of our auto policy to cover our medical expenses when we're injured in an auto accident. These other medical systems are like Blue Cross and Medicare, for example. There's another option outside of unlimited PIP, which is limited PIP, where we can pick certain limits of coverage for personal injury protection, but we're primarily relying on Blue Cross or Medicare. By picking this kind of hybrid choice, we're relying more on the legal system because there are going to be expenses that aren't covered. So the legal system gets a little more important in that hybrid role, but there's also this last decision, this last choice where people can opt out entirely and rely solely on, say, Blue Cross or Medicare. If these people are injured in an auto accident, I mean seriously injured, they could have tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars of medical costs that aren't going to get paid for. And these people are going to be in a very tough spot. They're going to rely on the legal system the most. And these are the people you don't want to be in an auto accident with. So, what happens? The legal system is a much bigger part of the picture, thanks to no-fault reform. When we are sued, we have to provide legal defense, and we have to be able to pay awarded damages if the court decides we owe. That's what the liability coverage in your auto policy does. It provides legal defense, and it pays up to the limit of liability coverage that you purchased. This is why the state has raised the minimum liability limits, and it has created this default limit. It's a lot higher. That protects us much better. So our agency's recommendations: keep unlimited. You likely need more liability coverage. I personally wouldn't leave the house with at least $1 million in liability coverage, perhaps $2 million. You can get a lot of liability coverage from your auto policy. Most auto policies will go up to $1 million, and we recommend looking at the umbrella policy for even more liability coverage. All right, that's a quick video on this subject. Please call your agent, talk this through, and protect your financial future. Thanks for watching.